कभी कभी ज़िंदगी के कुछ लम्हे सिर्फ याद नहीं बनते बल्कि दुआ बन जाते हैं. Sometime in life there are certain moments which just don't become memories. They turn into prayers. Today is one of that day. One of those moments for me. मेरे हाथों में ब्रश है और सामने खाली कैनवस. With a brush in my hand and a black canvas before me. और दिल में सिर्फ एक ही जज्बा है, लिखना उसका नाम जिसके ज़िक्र से चेहरे रोशन हो जाते हैं, अल्लाह. And in my heart only one feeling to write his name, the name that filled the soul with light. This Arabic calligraphy is very special for me because this is one of the most special days of my life, a new beginning. Yes, I am making this Arabic calligraphy to be hung on a new wall which will be customized from all the handwork of mine, and they all will just carry the divine name, the Arabic calligraphy of Allah's name and his prophets. And also there will be lot of verses from the Quran in the most beautiful ways that can be presented on a canvas, or you can say I tried my best to present it in the most beautiful way possible. हर ब्रश स्ट्रोक को मैं दुआओं से लिख रही हूँ, अपनी उम्मीदों के साथ सजा रही हूँ. Every brush stroke is not just adding colors but also a lot of emotions. Every curve, each and every dot has a piece of my heart. मैं चाहती हूँ that this Arabic calligraphy always remains as a, you can say, as a mark of beginning of the new chapter of my life. वो तो सिर्फ एक आर्ट पीस ना लगे बल्कि एक दुआ, एक बरकत और एक मेमोरी की तौर पर रहे. This wall is not just going to be a wall for me. This will be a corner where I would look, and with every glance I would just whisper gratitude. Alhamdulillah. The wall will be a corner of my heart where with every glance I would find peace. I never imagined art could be this personal, that my brush would become the voice of my emotions. ये वीडियो सिर्फ एक वीडियो नहीं बल्कि एक एहसास है, मेरी रूह की लिखाई, or you can say the writing of my soul. I truly believe when you watch this, you would have just felt the emotions with which I have written this, और एक आर्ट से ज़्यादा एक इबादत की फॉर्म में आपके सामने प्रेजेंट हुई हो. I truly believe कि जब आप ये वीडियो देखेंगे आप महसूस करेंगे कि जब नीयत साफ़ हो तो हर लिखाई इबादत बन जाती है. It becomes a form of worship. ये calligraphy marks the very first step of my life with a new prayer. With every time I look at that wall, my heart will whisper just one word, Alhamdulillah. And truly, with all the things which I have, the love which I got from you all, the support and everything, the way you supported my Arabic calligraphy, I always just thank everyone and my Almighty. I hope you enjoyed the video. Meet you soon.